Hello everyone, welcome to the linuxhint YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to talk about the Python IDEs. An IDE means Integrated Development Environment, and it is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. It provides graphical user interface so that programmer can write the code and interact with the tool easily. An IDE normally have a source code editor, a console and a debugger. These are the points that we will discuss in today's video. So first of all, we will see that what are the different IDEs available for Python, how to download and install these IDEs, and how we can use these IDEs to write and manage Python scripts. So without any further ado, let's start. Open your favorite browser and search for Python IDEs. The downloading and installation procedure for all the IDEs on Linux is quite similar. So let me select 3 Python editors that we are going to download and install in this video, and this is the point number 2 of our today's discussion. So in this video we will see PyCharm, IDLE and Spyder IDE for Python, and these are the most famous and top IDEs for Python. So let's start from the PyCharm first. Search for the PyCharm here. Click on the first link. We are redirected to the PyCharm official website, and in order to download the software, so we have to click here on this download button. The PyCharm website auto-detects the operating system and provides the appropriate downloading file according to the operating system. So here we have 2 versions for PyCharm. One is professional and the second is community version. So I will suggest you to download the community version because it is free, it is open source, and it comes with all the features that are required to run the Python. So click on this download button. Select the save file option and click on the OK button. The downloading will take couple of minutes and it all depends upon your internet speed. Alright, the downloading is complete, and here in the downloads folder we have PyCharm community version. So let's open it up. Go to the bin folder. So in order to install or run the PyCharm editor, we have to run this file on the terminal. So open the terminal in this particular directory and run this file pycharm.sh. Alright, hit enter. Here we have the welcome screen of the PyCharm, and we have 3 options. Either we can create new project, we can open up the existing project, or we can get from version control. So if you have any existing Python project, so you can open it up by selecting this second option. In my case, I do not have any existing Python project, so I'm gonna create a new project. Enter the name of the project, whatever you want, like my project. Alright, and if you want to change the location of this project, then simply go here and select any directory where you want to save this project. So now let's click on this create button. To see the working of the PyCharm editor, let's create a new Python script. Go to the project and right click here. Click on new, select Python file and enter the name for the file, whatever you want. Let's say I am entering here file1 Python and hit enter. So on the right side we have source code editor, and on the left side we have the project directory, and here we have the Python console, and we can see the output here. Let's try to run the couple of commands to see the working of the PyCharm editor. So first of all, let's print hello world. So right here print hello world. To run this program, click here on this run button, and you can see that it has printed hello world in the console. And similarly we can have couple of variables and we can print the sum of these variables. So let's try this. The number one variable is here gonna be a, which is 20. The second variable is b, which is 30, and the third variable is c, which is 10. To print the sum of these variables, write here print a plus b plus c, and run this program by clicking on this button, and you can see that it has printed the sum along with the hello world, and sum is 60. So on the top left corner we have multiple options available, and we can use this according to the situation. And if you want to change the theme of this Python editor, then go to File, go to Settings, and in the Appearance option we have multiple themes here. So you can change the theme. Whatever you want or whatever is suitable for you. So let's try this theme. Apply and OK. And the theme is updated successfully. And similarly, if you need any help, so you can go to this option, which is the help option. The second editor for today is the IDLE editor. So let's see that how we can install it. If you already have Python 3 or Python 2 in your system, then by running a single command you can install it. And the command is sudo apt-get install IDLE3. I already have installed IDLE3 on my system, and if you do not have IDLE3, then it will take a couple of minutes to install it. So now we have two ways to open up this editor. The first is like go to the app menu, search for the IDLE, and here you have IDLE. And if you want to open it from here, then press enter or click here. You can also open it up by using the terminal, and if you want to open it up by the terminal, then write here IDLE and hit enter. You can see that IDLE is opened here. So let's try to run a couple of commands on this editor. Let's print the hello world first. Hello world. Hit enter, and you can see that it has printed hello world. It works similar to the terminal. And similarly, we can also print the sum of couple of variables here. So let's do it. Number 1 is equal to 20, number 2 is equal to 10, and number 3 is equal to 5. So let's print the sum by using print command. So let's print the sum by using the print command. Write print here. The sum is number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3. So hit enter, and you can see that the sum is 35. It is very easy to work with the IDLE editor, but it is not suitable for the longer scripts. And if you want to work with the longer scripts, or you can easily want to manage the longer scripts, then the PyCharm is the best option for this thing. And similarly, on the top left corner we have multiple options like file, edit. You can create a new file here. And if you want to change the theme of this editor, then go to options, click on configure IDLE, go to the highlights, and here we have IDLE classic, IDLE dark, and IDLE new. So we have 3 themes here, and choose whatever is suitable for you. For me, I'm gonna try this IDLE classic theme. So click on the apply button and click on OK, and yes, this theme looks fine, like it is good. The next and final Python IDE for today's discussion is Spyder. So let's see that how we can download and install the Spyder on our system. And search for Spyder IDE for Python. Click on the first link. And here we are on the official website of Spyder IDE. So let's scroll down and see where we have the download option. And yes, here we have the download option. To download the Spyder, click on this button. And to download or install the Spyder, first we have to download the Anaconda distribution. So click here on download, And here if you have Python 2.7 on your system, then select on the right side option, and if you have Python 3.7 on your system, then select the left side option and click on the download button. And in my case I have Python 3.7 version, so I'm gonna click on this button. So click on the save file option and press OK button. The downloading is complete and we have Anaconda file in downloads folder, and this file is executable. So in order to run the Spyder 3, we have to execute this file. So open up the terminal and execute this file. Press enter to continue. And you can see that in the home directory we have Anaconda 3 folder. We can easily install the Spyder IDE now. So fire up the new terminal and run the following command: sudo apt install Spyder 3 and hit enter. The system is prompting for the password. Enter the system password here, hit enter. Alright, the Spyder IDE is installed successfully. So now let's close this terminal, go to the app menu and search for Spyder IDE. And here we have Spyder 3, so hit enter. This is the Spyder 3 editor for Python, and on the left side we have source code editor and on the right side we have a console. So if you want to create a new file, then go to the file option on the top left corner and select new file. So let's try to run a couple of Python commands here. So first of all, write here print hello world. To execute this program, click on this run button. So first of all, we have to save the file. So give a name to this file, whatever you want, like script1. And select here Python file. Alright, and click on the save button. And now you can see that Spyder 3 has executed this file, and in the console we have our output, which is actually the hello world, and you can see here. And similarly we have couple of options here in this Spyder 3 editor. On the top left corner we have multiple options like help is available, view, tools, projects, console and debug. So similarly we can change or update the theme of this editor. And if you want to do so, then go to the tools, click on preferences, and here we have multiple options. So select the third option, which is the syntax coloring. And here we have multiple themes for the Spyder IDE. So choose what is appropriate for you. So I'm gonna choose this dark theme. So choose this theme, click on apply button and click on OK. And you can see that the theme is updated successfully. I hope you found this video useful about knowing the Python IDEs, that how we can download and install them. So keep following us on linuxhint YouTube channel and do not forget to subscribe it for more useful videos about Linux. Thank you.